Did you know that the greatest music Frédéric Chopin ever wrote was composed while he was slowly dying, in a house run entirely by a woman the world already considered a genius? George Sand was the most famous novelist in France when she met Chopin in 1838. She wore men's clothes, published under a man's name, and answered to nobody. He was already sick, already brilliant, already fragile. For 9 years, she managed everything: the household, his doctors, the secret of his tuberculosis. And while she did all of that, he wrote the nocturnes and preludes that still define him today. She kept him alive. And the question that haunts this story is what that cost her. When they finally separated in 1847, Chopin had 2 years left. He used them without her. When he died in 1849, Sand wrote about him in her memoirs with a coldness that shocked everyone who had loved him. But her private letters told a completely different story. Someone who had never healed. Someone who had given more than she ever admitted.